Welcome back to Poetry and Police. This is not a normal day. This is a hard day in Jamaica right now, no people. Hard day for me in Jamaica right. Kingston 13, Kingston 11. Everywhere in Kingston right now, brethren. And look on the screen. Teacher has been missing, brethren. A teacher has been missing, brethren. I'm appealing to all of the man in Kingston 13, man. The teacher is missing. Oh my God. Danielle Anglin, man. Danielle Anglin. The teacher's name is Danielle Anglin. There's our photograph on the screen, people. Me, I beg you. Find the teacher and return her for me. Youths, if you don't have a teacher, please return her. She teaches at St. Peter's Clever. You know St. Peter's Clever. If we think that. Kingston 13. Poetry and Police, me, I beg you. I beg you, please. Release the teacher if you don't have the teacher. Teacher, for you, hide yourself. Come forward so people can stop fret. So people can stop suffer. Your family is missing you, your friends are missing you, and the teaching fraternity is missing you. The whole Jamaica is missing the teacher right now. Me, I beg you, please. Kingston 13, Blakey this from Huntsby. All of the man from Kingston 13. Put out on the foot. Make all on the links. Call whosoever want to call. All of the gangsters, them, all of the thugs, them, please, me, I beg you, in Kingston 13, Whitfield Town, Walton Park Road, Crescent Road, Oakland Road, Brownsland, Union Garden, man, them, me I talk to them, man, Riverton City, man, them, everybody, me I call Seaview Gardens, everybody. All of the man, them, at the 13, all of the gangsters, them, at the 13, right now, me I beg you, Me I beg you, man. Just make some phone calls, man. Find out what I want. I'm going to find the teacher back for me, please. We need her back alive. We can't take away the people when we help our children in these communities, brethren. We cannot. You understand me? I said to you, contact the Huntsby police station, brethren. When you see the picture upon it, see the picture there. See the picture there, police and poetry, me I beg you. I am asking you, all of the thugs, them. All of the gangsters them in the Kingston 13 area. If I want anybody who have the teacher right now, me I beg you, don't kill the teacher. I ask you, please, man. Have some sympathy for the teacher. Me I beg you, release her, man. When you call police and poetry, man, make me pick up the teacher, man. Please, me I beg you. Tell me where to find the teacher, man. Kingston 13, man, me I reach out to them. The Kingston 13, Whitfield Town, man. Whitfield Avenue, man, them. All of the man, Chinese Cemetery, man, Mission Road, man, them. Diagler Road, Waltham Avenue, man, them. Back to man, them, me I call up on you right now. I want to reach out. Call the whole of the gangster friend, them, bridging. Everybody, me want to call. Return the teacher, man. Me I beg the man them for return the teacher, man. Me I appeal to you, please, me I appeal to you. Release the teacher. Don't kill the teacher. Me I beg you, brethren. As a Kingston 13 man, I know the importance of a good teacher, brethren. Young teacher, vibrant teacher, helping the students in our community, brethren. We can't remove that teacher from the system like that. We can't kill the teacher. We can't treat the teacher so bad. So me ask the man right now, I'm share this video, please. Me I tell you to share this video to all of the man in Kingston 13. Look on the picture. Make on a link, me I beg you, make on a link. Stephen Lane, man, them. All of the man at Stephen Lane, Fitzgerald Avenue, everywhere they saw. St. Peter Clever. St. Peter Clever teacher. Find out about the teacher, brethren. Ratbat Crew. Crescent Road. St. Peter Clever teacher. I want to know that. I feel no teacher that, you know. I want to reach out, make a link with your friends, and all of the links one can make. A man in the syndicate must hear. If a man have the teacher, a man must hear. And nothing happen without certain people here. So the man if just reach out right now, bigger and serious, bigger man thing. And just get the teacher released for me, please. Contact the Huntsby police station or just drop off the teacher somewhere, brethren. Or make a link with Poetry and Police. And Mr. Evans, this man, I Blakey this from Huntsby. I want to hide them, just make a link for me. All the man who know Blakey, all the man who know me as Evans. I want the man just reach out, brethren. Make some link on the phone, brethren. Satellite the thing. All the link on you can make right enough. Say we can, if a man really have the teacher, to just release the teacher, brethren. May I beg you, please. Release the teacher. Don't kill the teacher. Don't kill the educator, brethren. We need her. We need her in the Kingston 13 community. She's a St. Peter Clever teacher. And we need her. Not everybody want to teach at them school because of the violence in the area. So I want the man them to just reach out to them gangster friend brethren, make some phone calls right about now, and see if we can get back the teacher brethren. If the gangster them have the teacher, maybe gonna do not, I'm telling them, man, do not hurt the teacher. Drop her off somewhere, brethren. Spare her life, brethren. I'm begging you. We don't want to hear say another teacher missing right now. That's a attack upon the educational system in the country. Please, I beg you. Please and thanks. Welcome back to Poetry and Police.